Good day, Philippines. Welcome to 24 Hours News. Today, we bring you a special report on 4 presidential decrees that help protect the country's natural resources and environment.
This Presidential Decree number 389, Presidential Decree No. 953, Presidential Decree No. 1219, and Presidential Decree 1251. Let's begin.
Presidential Decree number 389 was signed in 1974. It is known as the Forestry Reform Code of the Philippines.
Its main goal was to protect and conserve the country's forests, watersheds, wildlife, and natural resources. The decree promotes proper forest management, compensation, and the prevention of illegal logging. It also combines forestry agencies into a single Bureau of Forest Development.
Forest plays an important role in preventing floods, protecting wildlife, and maintaining ecological balance. Now, let's hear from Mr. Taganile and Mr. Gularan for the tree planting requirement.
Maglaganan dire sa Agusan del Sur, nadre na himutan sa barangay pati na dire sa may kapitol.
O dire nga laganan wala kay mabayaran. Free na mga malaagan ng ilang nindot, ng place o ilang mga design. Tara, sorry ta.
Closed off from love, I didn't need the pain. Once or twice was enough, and it was all.
Palaro tuang sur, hai, hai, palaro tuang sur, ya, ya, yuk, yuk, yuta, ayuk, ayuk, heya,
Closed off from love, I didn't need the pain. Once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen. But something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melts into the ground, found something true, and everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy. Hey, yeah, but I don't care what they say.
Nautan na ko sito diyan, wato ko lang na eh. Bay, nautan na sito, bay. May sito na ko kayo. Salamat tayo.
Time for a moment to breathe. Relax with natural tea. C2 green tea. Enjoy relaxing with C2 green tea.
Get yours now.
Ang Surf with Fabcon, mas pinagaling na surf with Active Clean na. Pinagaling magpaputi,
magtanggal kulob at mas pinabango. Singgaling ng mamahalin. Subukan ang mas pinagaling. Surf with Active Clean.
Thank you, Miss Laguna, PD 953, tree planting requirements. Essential degree number 953 require every citizen to participate in cleaning planting activity. The degree encourages school, government office, and private organization to plant tree and help to restore damaged forests.
This activity was to increase forest cover and promote environmental awareness among Filipino. Back to you, Mr. Magadan.
Tree planting remains one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect our environment. Now we will also tackle about Presidential Decree 1219. Mr. Boyang and Mr. Ribas, can you explain to them what is Presidential Decree 1219 means?
Pag 3 pataas, mag-quality preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-quality preschool. 3 plus, batang may laban.
Mr. Magadan, PD 1219 Coral Resource Development and Conservation Decree. Presidential Decree No. 1219 was issued in 1977 to regulate the exploration, utilization, and conservation of coral resource in Philippines water. The law recognizes the importance of coral reefs and habitats for marine life and as protection against coastal erosion. It promoted responsibility use of coral resources while ensuring their conservation for future generations. Up to you, Ms. Laguna.
Coral reef are often called the rainforest of the sea because they are supported rich variety of marine organisms. Now, let's hear from Mr. Alam and Mr. Daig for PD 1251 Environmental Protection.
Nautan na dagog sito din, wato ko lang naig. Bay, nautan na sito, bay. Sito na ko kayo. Salamat tayo.
Time for a moment to breathe. Relax with natural tea. C2 green tea. Enjoy relaxing with C2 green tea.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-quality preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-quality preschool. 3 plus, batang may laban.
Laganan diri sa Agusan del Sur, nga diri na himutang sa barangay Patinay diri sa may Kapitol.
O diri nga laganan wala kay mabayaran. Free ni mo nga malaagan ang ilang nindot nga place o ilang mga design. Tara, suroy ta.
Palaro tuang sur. Hai, hai. Wow, 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 wow. Palaro tuang sur. Ya, ya, ya. Yuk, yuk, yuta. Ayuk, ayuk. Hey, ya, hey, ya.
Happened for the very first time with you. My heart melts into the ground, found something true, and everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy. Hey, yeah. But I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart's crippled by the vein that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. You cut me open. Trying hard not to hear, but they talk so loud. Their piercing sounds fill my.
Thank you, Miss Laura. I report to Presidential Decree 1251, Environmental Protection.
Presidential Decree number 1251 strengthen government support to protect the environment and natural resources. It supports conservation program and encourage responsible use of the country's resources to ensure sustainable development.
Back to you, Mr. Magadan.
includes our special report on Presidential Decree of 389, Presidential Decree of 953, Presidential Decree of 1219, and Presidential Decree 1251.
Remember, environmental protection starts with each one of us. This is 24 Hours News, bringing facts, protecting the future. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-volunteer preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-volunteer preschool. 3 plus, batang may laban.
Anong problemang iisipin pa kapag Rexona ang lagi mong kasama? Lagi na ang mag-Rexona. Ligo lang ulang sa umaga para laging fresh ka. Rexona lagi nang sumasali. Sa eskwela lagi ka nang ready. Mag-hike at ground shift.
Ang mga namin guys. Bayot yung siguro no? Bayot! Isa.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Magada.
So guys, naulan na namin mag-film. Oxito ready! Napoy na ko. Ikaw na lang lang. Asa na ba lang sounds?
Wala na.
Kaya mga ano, mga tourist spot sa Agusan. Tungkol sa tumaway sa tubig.
Thank you, Mr. Magada.
Ay, sa